Okay, so meron tayong package today. This came from Japan and galing ito sa WeBike. So this contains second-hand parts for the Z900 RS. And let's check out the contents. So ito yung unang pyesa na binili ko para sa likod to kasi yung current ko puro gas-gas na. Ito yung ito yung good deal eh. This is only worth 900 pesos. Kung sakasa mo kukunin, for sure abot to ng 4 to 5,000, I assume. So sa pag-disassemble, very straightforward lang naman. So holding this piece together are just 4 Allen bolts. Tsaka may rubber grommet, ganun lang. So ito yung luma, ayan, visible scratches. Ito yung bago. Merong clips to hold it into place. So itong side stand, kailangan ko ng tulong sa pagkabit. So punta tayo sa Arc Motors.
$17 din 40.
Hindi ko kaya gawin sa bahay. Wala ko nung pangatak eh. Oo. So it's the following day. Here's a side-by-side comparison. Yung may side stand expander. Kasi ito, makikita nyo, sumasayad yan eh pag sumasobra ako ng lean. And I think it's going to be dangerous kapag nasobrahan. Baka tumukod and then can flip the bike over. Tapos ito naman, this is the old rear fender or yung rear na body part. Side-by-side comparison, pinunasan ko na din for a fair comparison. And ayan, makikita nyo yung gas-gas versus the new one. Okay, little information. WeBike sells used parts para sa different types of motorcycles. Kung available yung motor mo doon sa listahan nila, there might be a good chance na meron din mga used parts. So if you're interested in getting a good deal out of used parts, check out WeBike.